Thank you for exploring Cloudshot, empowering your cloud journey every step of the way. To connect your Azure Cloud account to Cloudshot, click Start with Azure. Here, you can enter an account name of your choice. On the right side, you'll find instructions on how to get the tenant ID, client ID, and subscription ID from your cloud account. To add multiple subscription IDs, simply click Add More. After filling in all the details, click Submit. Once submitted, your Azure Cloud account will be added. If you want to view the network diagram of your Azure Cloud account, click on Cloudshot and select the Azure Network Discovery option. A pop-up screen will appear where you can select multiple subscription IDs if you have them, and you can skip any empty regions by switching on the toggle button. You can also add a tag key and tag value if needed. After clicking Show Deployment, the Azure diagram will be successfully fetched. If you want real-time monitoring, click Yes. To learn more about real-time monitoring, check out the real-time monitoring video. You can also fetch diagrams from Azure Network Discovery button on menu bar. Thank you for watching.